Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to shrink our end screen video while the background video is still playing. Okay, let's open iMovie. It comes with your Mac. You can download it for free. Drag your background video down and drag the video you wish to shrink on top. If your main video is attached with the end screen video, you can cut the main video out and drag it to beginning of the end screen video. Cool! You see, it's very easy. But let's undo it. And drag another video as our main video to the front to show you that you can work it out whichever way. Cool. Now click on the video you wish to shrink, which is on top. Make sure that it's highlighted, then click Picture in Picture. Now gently drag your video to whichever position you want and shrink it to any size of your choice. You can drag it to any shape or leave it plain as you desire. I want to drag it to fit on this computer screen. Make sure that it fits very well if you wish to drop it in any frame as I'm doing now. Wow, for me it fits perfectly. I add more thick line to make it nice. Okay, let's see how it looks from our main video to the end screen video. Great! Okay, let's view it in a big screen before saving the file. Perfect! Now let's save the file. You can save your file from here, or you can go to File and go down to Share and share it to any of these options of your choice. But I choose File. Now we are done. Well done. You see, you can do it. It's very easy. Have a great time and see you in my next video. To support each other, please subscribe and like. Thanks and remain blessed.